Leo guogi 200 ochanje kaunti Makwale kaka yorgengo tuoche manyalo miyogi lokore sude. Chanjo matimba onge chudo takod piny owacho mar kaunti Makwale komakore kod jolony mag tuoche le mamoko moting'o punde kod paka bende omi chanjo makamano mar konyogi tuoche manyalo miyo wigi lokre. E kindeno lakteche mag jamni bende otimo thieth ne guogi kod paka ma konyogi e komo nyuol mondo duok piny kwan le ma dang'ni e gwenge makono.
Pia ningependa kusema kwamba kati ya hizo dog bites 602 tumeconfirm tu 2 visa viwili vya ugonjwa wa kichaa cha umbwa katika umbwa, lakini hazikuwa zimefika kwa wanyama, kwa binadamu.
In line with the strategy, the National Rabies Elimination Strategy for 2030. So we are targeting 2,000 dogs here. We're also targeting 800 cats and 200 donkeys. That is our target, and that is the reason we've chosen those 3 animals is because they're the most at risk when it comes to rabies. If you do not control the population of dogs, especially dogs and even cats, and then you end up having dogs that are giving birth, every now and then, the owners are not able to feed them. They're not able to house them. So some of those dogs will go roaming in the markets, go roaming in schools, and then there are high chances that they're going to bite a children here, a person here, and there are also high chances that the owner is not able to vaccinate them.
We want to urge the population to practice responsible pet ownership, where they ensure their dogs and cats and even other animals are vaccinated so that we are able to kick out rabies from this country.
In case ya kitunga mtu sina kesi kwa sababu niko na barua ya kuonesha kama mbwa wangu ameshatungwa. Kwa hivyo nashukuru.